Okay guys, welcome back. It's a beautiful day today out in Abbotsford. The rain stopped, so the sun was out for a bit, and now I guess it's getting, the clouds are sort of blocking the sun, so it's gonna move and the sun might come out again. But yeah, it's a nice day today, and I had a good outdoor workout today. After I was done working out, I just thought, hey, I might as well just shoot a quick video here. So today I'm gonna be talking about the pros and cons of working out at home. Now, if you're in a situation where you don't want to get the syringe or your country has sort of imposed a lockdown on you, well, I'm sure some of you have sort of switched to home workouts and are starting to, kind of see how different it is from working out in the gym. If you've been working out in the gym before, this whole Slovic thing came. So, by the way, Slovic is the disease that everyone's talking about right now. So, anyways, let's come back here now. Now, if you've been working out at home, you've noticed how it can have its benefit and it can also have its disadvantages as well. It has its pros and it has its cons. So today we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of working out at home. So let's just get started right now. Now, the pros here, I'll start with the pros. The first pro that I want to talk about is this. Working out at home can be really convenient. Like, you just wake up and all you got to do is just get a mat, go to an empty space in your room or in your house or wherever, and boom, you're already working out. You don't have to worry about the transportation to get to the gym, or whether it's by bus, which can be really stressful, or whether it's by your vehicle. You don't have to worry about that. All you got to do is just get a mat and work that muscle. The second pro here is for those of us that are super shy and don't want to go to the gym because we're scared of people judging us and stuff, even though that rarely happens. But yeah, if you're worried about that, then working out at home can be really great for you, because you got your privacy there, and all you have to do is just do it in your room or wherever you feel comfortable, and yeah, get those gains. So the third pro is that working out at home can be quite cheap. Like, if you don't want to spend money on the gym membership, some gym memberships can be really expensive. I'm glad my gym isn't quite as expensive as some other gyms, but yeah, working out at home can be cheap. All you need is your body weight. If you want to go further, you can get cheap equipment, like free weights or resistance bands or whatever, but it is cheap, so you don't have to worry about paying money monthly, and you don't have to worry about $50 leaving your account every month. So that's the benefit of working out at home. Now let's move to the cons. Okay, the first con here is working out at home can be really demotivating. Like, it can get to a point where you just feel like, nah, this sucks. Working out at home doesn't really give you a wide range of exercises that you can do. We'll get to that in the next con, but yeah, like I said, it can be really demotivating, and you might just keep doing it, and then all of a sudden you're like, like, no, like, F this, I'm done. So that's a huge con of working out at home. Now, the next con about working out at home is, like I said before, you're not sort of exposed to a wide range of exercises or equipment or machines that you can use to sort of get more gains and grow. So, yeah, that can sort of make you hate working out at home. For me, that's another big con about working out at home. It can sort of limit your gains, actually. So if you want to go further and get bigger significantly, then yeah, home workouts won't really give you that. So that's just a huge con about it. Now, the next one that I want to talk about is if you're working out at home, it gives you that privacy that you want, right? But for some people, you know, they like the community of gym people, you know, like they like to work out with people and sort of interact with other ones. So home workouts doesn't give you that, of course. An exception there would be, you know, like the if you're working out with like in like a class where there's a Zoom video right there, you're working out with other people. You're watching a video though.
This thing camera later, please.
And again, 3.
So that's an exception though. But other than that, if you're working out at home, you're not, you know, you're not making friends or making gym friends or people that have similar interests with you. So, and I find that motivating for me too when I make friends and interact with people, and you know, and sometimes the people you make friends with at the gym, they can sort of help, they can push you to keep coming to the gym. They can motivate you to keep showing up. So home workouts doesn't give you that, unfortunately. Yeah, that's a con there. Okay, by the way guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider liking and subscribing as well. I really appreciate that stuff. My name is Douglas Okwara. I'm the personal coach here of Do Fitness. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you're enjoying it actually. So the next con that I want to talk about is if you're working out at home and you have a goal of, you know, you want to get big, you want to get like huge muscles and stuff, home workouts doesn't really get you there at all. It doesn't. Like, it's kind there I see so many videos of people that are already like physically down, like you know, they have lots of muscles and they're doing home workouts. I'm like, no bro, this guy goes to the gym, you know, he doesn't just do home workouts, you know. So working out at home, it's more of its job basically is not really to give you lots of muscles. Its job is to start you, it's to get you started actually, and help you maintain your muscles until whatever situation you're in is over. So that's the sole purpose of working out at home. And if you really want to get bigger, and you know, if you have a goal where you want to compete or whatever, yeah, you definitely get your ass to the gym. So that's some of the cons that I can think of right now. But hey, I'm not making this video to sort of discourage you if you're already working out at home. Of course, if you're working out at home, there are so many ways that you can make your exercise more like interesting. Like, rather than just doing the same thing all the time, you can sort of change it up. You can do more reps, you can increase time on the tension, like you can go slower on the eccentric and go faster on the concentric. You can go outdoors and, you know, like I just did, you can go work out at the park, or you can just go do some whatever thing you want to do that will sort of make it more interesting for you. You can try that. And yeah, that's what's been working out for me so far, you know. As much as I don't like working out at home, I see it as a benefit for beginners, because, you know, there are some exercises that out there that beginners need to do in order to sort of get their muscles started for and get them ready for all the difficult exercises that they will encounter in the gym. So that's the huge benefit of working out at home. So if you're already working out at home, keep doing it until you feel ready to go to the gym. If you're in a situation like I mentioned earlier where you can't really go to the gym at the moment, then find ways to make your home workout interesting. Okay, you can call a friend, both of you can work out together at home, or you can go outdoors. You can, like I said, do some other you can also introduce weights, you know, like buy weights, buy them from Amazon or wherever you can, you know, buy them, and dumbbells, whatever, buy the bands, whatever you can do, you know, that sort of makes it better for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, because I guess I don't have much to say anymore. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Okay, I really appreciate it when you do that. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in my next video, I hope. Well, bye for now. I'm gonna enjoy the sun before it dies down. See ya.